The last major medical conferences in 2012 are getting underway. Adam Fierstein, tell us which biotech stocks should investors be watching for significant clinical trial news as the year comes to a close.
That's right, Greg. We're getting to the end of the medical conference calendar here. There's an important breast cancer conference. It's underway right now. It wraps up this weekend. That's quickly followed by the annual meeting of the American Society of Hematology. That conference starts tomorrow and runs through next week.
All right, let's start with the breast cancer meeting. Anything of interest there?
Yeah, I'm going to be watching Celldex Therapeutics, which will be presenting some updated results on Saturday, that's tomorrow, from a mid-stage breast cancer trial. We last saw data from the study in the spring. Now, on Saturday, Celldex is going to be presenting final results, which the company hopes are going to be strong enough to allow the drug to move into a Phase 3 study next year.
All right, and what's hot at the American Society of Hematology meeting?
This meeting, it's known as ASH to us in the trade. The ASH meeting, it focuses on blood-related cancer, stuff like lymphomas and leukemias. There are three smaller drug stocks that investors should pay attention to. The first is YM Biosciences. They're developing a drug for myelofibrosis. The big unanswered question with YM Bio is whether or not the company is going to find a big pharmaceutical partner to help them develop this myelofibrosis drug. Investors have been waiting all year, rather impatiently, for the company to announce a deal.
And the other two ASH stocks to watch?
Those would be Infinity Pharmaceuticals and Pharmacyclics. Now, both these companies are developing competing drugs in the same blood cancer indications. Pharmacyclics has written promising early drug data and a partnership with Johnson & Johnson to a $3.7 billion market valuation. Now, investors are going to be eyeing Infinity and its blood cancer drug to see if it might be better than what Pharmacyclics is working on. Infinity's stock has also been a nice mover this year, but the market value is still a relatively paltry $1 billion.